mostly what I remember is a little black notebook that he had that was a ring binder. And I used to see him at various times sitting in a corner or at the kitchen table or other places writing in that book. And I would see Yiddish in it. And never English that I recall, but Yiddish. And he would always be working on something that's, I mean, his identity as a writer was enormously important to him. And so it was threaded one way or the other through my life. I also used to see him type, but I don't remember, and I do have a Yiddish typewriter that may have been his. I'm not sure, it came through my mother. But I don't know if he was writing on the typewriter. My major, writing in Yiddish on the typewriter. What my major memory is this little black book. And several years ago, going through some of the stuff that I have of his love letters, some of the material he wrote in English, because he did write in English too. Largely for left-wing kinds of publications with wonderful names like Blast and other such things. I discovered where he had lived, either when they were together, he was together with my mother, or I believe so. And it was on West 48th Street, just in Hell's Kitchen, just west of 9th Avenue. And the building is still there. And I have gone there a number of times and just stood outside and wondered which apartment they lived in and whether it was in the back or in the front. It's very moving to me to think about it and to think about him in that area. And also because New York is one of my beloved cities. The change in the area to being trendy now from what it was when he was there. And it was sort of near his office at the ILGWU. But I know that one of the first things I pictured when I went there and I stood downstairs looking at the building was my father with his little black book with the ring binder. Sitting, I would try, to concentrate to be able to picture what room he was in. Was there more than one room? But it was always that he was sitting in that apartment writing in Yiddish in this same ring binder. And very touching to me, very, very touching. So yes, I do absolutely remember him writing and love the memory.